Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3. We are starting exercise 9.3 question 8. Last video we have completed 1 to 7. Lots of math we have completed. This video we are starting from question 8. Very interesting question. Let's get started. Complete the complements for the 100 cross number puzzle. The answer to each clue is the complement for 100 for that numbers. Here is a tip. Think about where each number is 100 square. The number of squares that will take you to 100 is the complement to 100 of that number. Look, it's a very simple thing. First, across, it means this one, and here is a down. Okay, so first number 1, 73. So we need 100. It means 100 minus 73, it will be 27. So 73 plus 27, it will be 100. And in down, here is a 79. So we need 21 to become 100. So first one is 27. So look, here is 27 across and down 21. Okay, so this one become complement of 27, and here is a 79 of 27. Next, number 1 and 1 done. Number 2, 25. So we need 75. 7, 5, right? And 2, here is a 28. So we need 72. So here is 7 and here is 2. Next, number 3, 59. So we need what? 41. Number 3, 41. So here is 4, already 1 have. And here is a 52. Number 3, 52. So how many number need? 48. So here is a 4 and here is 8. Number 3 done. Number 4, 68. So we know need 32. So here is already 2, 3, 32. And here is 63. So we need 37. So 3 and 7, 37. 63 plus 37, it will be 100. Now number 5, 53. So 53, we need 47. So here is 4 and 7, 47. And 5, here is 56. So 56, we need 44. So up down 44, here is 4. Now number 7, here is 7, 26. So we need 74. Number 7, where is number 7? This is number 7. So this is 74. So this one done. 81, number 8, where is 8? 81. It means we need 19. Number 9, 49. So we need 51. Where is number 9? So 51. Number 6, 11. So 11, it means we need what? 89. So 8, already 9 have. Then number 7, in down 29. So we need what? 79. So we need 71. Already 71 have. Number 8, 83. 83 in down, it means we need 17. So here is 17. So here is also another number 9. 51 we need. Number 9, where is number 9? 51. 49, so 51. We forget to cross this one. And number 10, here is a 43. We need 57. So here is 5. So 57. So everything complete. Very simple, interesting math. I love this math. I hope you clear this one. If you have any confusion of this math, please write in the comment section. So number 8 done. Number 9, here is some number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 to 9. Our question: use each digit only once to make complements of multiples of 10 to 100. Which digit is not used? So here last digit is 0 and use each digit only once to make complements of multiples of 10 to 100. So let's say, suppose here is 3, here is 2. We can use this one because we see here is 6 and here is 8. What does means? Suppose 32, it means 320, and this is 680, it means 680. So 320 and 680, it means here is a 0 0 carry 1 631, it means 100. 10, it means 1000. So you already used 2368. Next we can use, like here is 4 and here is 9 and here is 5 and here is 1. 490 and 510, it means 100. So unused digit is 7. Okay, very simple. Number 10, complete triangle estimate. Remember to calculate mentally to find the answer. How? Look, here is 0 0. Let's say here is 70, here is 90, it means 160, and here is 3 and 1, it means 400. So we can say 065, right? It's a 560. Number B, 420 280. So it's a very simple thing. 0 minus 0, it's a 0, and if we use or take 110, it will be what? 12. 12 minus 8 is a 4, and this one become 3. So 3 minus 2 is a 1. Next, 0 minus 0, here is a 0. 6 minus 7 is not possible, so this one becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is the 9, and this 9 become 8. So 8 minus 5 is a 390. So it's 0 0, so 0 3 9, it's a 12 2 4 4 8 and 9 2 90. 0 0 0, this one become 14. 14 minus 9 is a 5, and this 8 become 7. 7 minus 4 is a 3, it means 350. 0 0 minus 0 is a 0. This 5 become 15, so 15 minus 7 it's 8, and this 6 become 7 becomes 6, so 6 minus 6, so here is only 80. Very interesting question. Number 11, and it's the last question of this chapter. It means unit 9, exercise 9.3 complement. Number 11 said, I am a 3-digit complement to multiple of 10 less than 1000. My digit add up to 16. The digit of 3-digit number that my complement and I add to has digit that total to 17. What number would I be? What number could my 3-digit multiple of 10 complement to be? So what this means? It means first we have to take a digit like this one, and this one. And if once we summation each digit, the result should be 16, and we will add something. After add, the result will be what? Less than 1000 and this summation will be 17. Okay, so what will be the number? So 16, it means like, and it's a multiple of 10, it means last digit should be 0. So what can we do? Like it summation becomes 16, so 7 plus 9 is a 16, and so we can write 790, it's a less than 1000, this is a 3 digit, and summation is it will be what? Summation will be 16. So we need to check something, like another one, 880, it's also summation. 8 plus 8 is a 16, it's a 16, and if we add 100, so it will become 089, it's a less than 1000, and 9 plus 8 will be 17. Okay, it means what? 8 plus 8 plus 0, it's a 16, and here is 9 plus 8 plus 0, it will be 17. And if we use this one, 790, it's a 16. Okay, and if we add with this number, it means 790 with 190, so 9 plus 1 is a 10, and 10, look, so 190, so 0 and 0, it will be 0, 9 plus 9 is 18, 8, carry 1 2, 2 plus 9, 2 plus 7 is a 9, so it will be 980, and this one also 17. So our target to make 980, and two way we can make 980. First one 790, another one 880. If 790, we should add 190, and if we use 880, we should use 100. Okay, this is a interesting question. I hope you clear this one. So my first target become 16, so answer like 880 plus 100, it means 980. This is a method 1. And second one, suppose 790 plus 190, it will also 980. And now check, everything is clear. So number 11 done, and thank you very much. Long time you are with me. By this video we have completed 9.3 complements, and especially our unit 9 done. So if you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and my request, please subscribe my channel. I hope by this channel you will get lots of things for you or your baby. Thank you.